Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Prosbom's channel by Teguh Purwanto. Ini dia channel Sajak Prosa oleh Teguh Purwanto. Crazy Times. The crazy times are social situation of society that most people feel as erratic, uncertain, and overwhelmed with anxiety. Ronggowarsito in his Kolotido describes the philosophy and teaching of living in face of crazy times as follows. Menangi jaman edan ewuh aya ing pambudi, melu edan ora tahan yen tan melu anglakoni. Boya katuman meli kaliren wekasanipun, dilalah kersane ngalah bekja bekjane kang lali, luwih bekja kang eling lan waspada. Translation. Witnessing the crazy times, it's not easy to understand. Gone crazy not to the heart. If you do not follow, not to the treasure. Famine at last. But Allah's will, how lucky are people forget, stay lucky who remember and be alert. Whereas at the time there were many good people and many smart ones, the state should be able to bring justice and prosperity to its people. But in reality, could not resist the coming of the Kalabendu era, miserable times. As mentioned in the book of Kolatido as follows. Ratune ratu utomo, patihe patih linuwe, pranayaka tyasra harjo, panekare becik-becik. Parandene tan dadi paliyasing kala bendu, mandar mangkin nandodra rubeda angribedi. Beda-beda artane wong sak nagara. Translation. There is the king, is the chief king, and the patih is patih of selected. The courtiers have noble hearts. The underlings are alright. And yet it does not become repellent from the Kalabendu era. It just got worse. A lot of obstacles are become problems from the different desires from people all over the country. Those a brief description of crazy times. But the most important according to Ranggowarsito is how to treat it, which is always remember and be alert. Translation. Zaman Edan. Zaman Edan adalah situasi sosial masyarakat yang kebanyakan orang merasa sebagai tidak menentu, tidak pasti, dan diliputi kecemasan. Ronggowarsito di dalam Kolotido menjelaskan filosofi dan ajaran hidup dalam menghadapi zaman edan adalah sebagai berikut. Menangi zaman edan ewuh aya ing pambudi, melu edan ora tahan yen tan melu anglakoni. Boya keduman meli kaliren wekasanipun. Dilalah kersaning Allah bekja bekjane kang lali. Luwih bekja kang eling lan waspada. Padahal pada saat itu ada banyak orang baik dan banyak orang pintar. Negara harus mampu membawa keadilan dan kemakmuran bagi rakyatnya. Tetapi pada kenyataannya tidak dapat menolak kedatangan zaman kolobendu, zaman penuh kesengsaraan. Sebagaimana disebutkan di dalam kitab Kolotido sebagai berikut. Ratune ratu utama patih linuwe pranayaka Tyas Raharja panekare becik-becik parandene tan dadi paliasing kolobendu mandar mangkin nandodra upeda angribedi. Beda-beda arganing wong sanagara. Itu semua penjelasan singkat tentang zaman edan. Tapi yang paling penting menurut Ronggo Warsito adalah bagaimana cara menyikapinya, yakni selalu ingat dan waspada. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next Press Booms. See you. Sampai jumpa pada sajak prosa berikutnya. Sampai jumpa.